Hi, today I'm doing a risotto, but I'm using a rice cooker. So this is a little bit different. To the rice cooker, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil, vegetable oil, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable broth, just for right now. We'll be adding more later. Mushroom. Oh, and let's see. The garlic. This is 2 tablespoons of garlic, and this is a shredded garlic. So just the way that Safeway sold it. The rice cooker is brand new, so I just wanted to use it to see how it works. Then I have a 1.5 cups of mushrooms. Generally, I'd use the steaming bowl, but for mushrooms, it works better this way. So, steaming tray. So, now I'm going to set this to steam, and we're going to steam it for 10 minutes. I'll have to do it twice. So when it's done steaming the first time, I'll stir it and then set it again, because it's only going for 5 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to add in the Aborio rice. You can use medical rice also if you have it. Sometimes it's recommended to use half and half if you're doing that. This is a combination. I had to use it do 2 of these, but this is 4 cups of the broth. And next we have a 1/2 cup of Sauvignon Blanc. Lemon zest. And thyme. Yeah, this time we're going to set it for white rice, because there is no Aborio rice setting. So it turns out that when it's winding, it's not an error message. It's just cooking. And so we're on the last few minutes of the cook time. You don't want to go down too far on the liquid, because it's supposed to have some, but it did soak up a lot of the liquid. So I probably would have been fine. I just added in 1.5 cups of zucchini, diced zucchini. Okay, I'm gonna get out a juicer because it looks like it's done. I'm gonna drizzle a little truffle oil on it. And some Parmesan and lemon juice. So this is Violife Parmesan. It does come in a block form, and it has to be grated. So, but it tastes like regular Parmesan, even though it's really low in protein. Put it on steam for another 5 minutes, just to let the zucchini cook. So I'm just letting the zucchini cook. The rice is the cheese is probably going to melt in there, but when it's done, I'm going to add in some lemon juice, and that'll be it. So if you like the videos, please like, subscribe, share, comment, and thanks for your time.